If you want people to be able to see your posts on X, formerly Twitter, this video is for you. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to make your X account public in just a few simple steps. This is useful if you want more visibility, more engagement, and you want your posts to be seen by anyone, not just approved followers. If this video helps, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick social media tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open X on your browser or in the app and log into your account. On the left-hand side, look for the More icon, which is the three dots menu. Click on that to open the full menu of options. From here, scroll down and select Settings and Support, then click Settings and Privacy. This is where X keeps all of your account controls, privacy settings, and safety options. Once you're inside Settings, click on Privacy and Safety. This section controls how your account is viewed, who can interact with you, and what content is protected. Next, find and select Audience and Tagging. This is the area where you can manage whether your posts are public or protected. Now look for the option labeled Protect Your Posts. If that box is checked, or the toggle is turned on, that means your account is currently private. To make your account public, simply uncheck the box or toggle it off. Once you do that, your posts will no longer be protected, and anyone on X can view them. After changing this setting, it's a good idea to go back and double-check that the option stayed off so your account is truly public. Keep in mind that making your account public means your posts can be seen by anyone, and they may also be shared more easily. That's great for growth and reach, but it's important to make sure you're comfortable with that before leaving the setting off. And that's it, your X account is now public. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss more easy step-by-step guides like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.